Hey everybody, I want to show you how to do your initial discussion post. Remember, you can find your discussions if we have more than one by clicking in the discussion tab in the top menu. Or if you go to the content page, it is also in the week 1 learning module. So we're going to go to the week 1 learning module. You do the same thing regardless of where you access it. And so let's go to introduce yourself to the class. So you can see the instructions here. It's going to tell you what you need to do. This is just getting to know, this is so you can get to know your classmates and they can get to know you. So you need to post 3 to 5 pictures and tell everyone why they're important to you. So in order to do your initial post, you just hit type a response. And then I'm going to bring my pictures in real quick. Then I'm going to click image. Nope, I'm not going to do that. I am going to hit the paperclip. I want to do an attachment. And I have my pictures in my downloads, already picked my pictures, and I've got 3 of them. So if I hold my control button and I click on my 3 pictures and click open, it should put those pictures in the text box for me. And so you can see my 3 pictures here. So I'm going to talk about the first one. Okay, so my name, I'm just going to give a little info about myself. My name is Amy Winters. My computer is really slow tonight, so I apologize for the delay. And I am your instructor. This first picture is of my granddogs. The one on the left is Nala, and the one on the right is Scooby. I love them to death. They're hilarious. I don't need to put all that, but little description of that picture. Okay, then the next picture, this is a picture of my son, Eric. He's on the left, the big tall one. He's 6'4". And his girlfriend, Nayeli. If you watched my introductory video, you found out that they are expecting. I'm going to have my first grandchild in February, a granddaughter, so I'm excited. My husband, Scott, is next to me. And then you see me. This is my family, my immediate family. And then we scroll down a little more. And this is my Isabella, Izzy. We have all kinds of names for her. She's my dog. She is my shadow. Girlfriend. She's looking at me right now while I'm typing this. She is my buddy. She is a Bug, which is a Boston Terrier Pug mix. She's super hyper. Smartest dog I've ever had. She's also very protective, and we really have to watch her with other animals and people. And once she gets to know people, she's their friend for life, but it is a process. So basically, that's it about me. So I've got 3 pictures in there, a little description, and then I just hit respond. And there is my post. Now, as people start posting them, if you see my post and you want to respond to it, there would be you can see it, the reply button right underneath there. And then you could comment, hey, Amy, you could ask me questions, ask for further explanation. You need to respond to a minimum of 2 classmates. And when you guys are doing discussions, you shouldn't just do your post and then check in on Sunday. Like, every couple of days you should be checking it and replying and answering questions, your classmates' questions, in a timely manner. And that's it on a discussion post, how to post your discussion response. If you have questions, please let me know. Thank you.